Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK, where, as you can probably see, we've had snow. Now, this is the first time in 3 years of living here that I've actually seen any snow here, so I wanted to get some images of it on camera for posterity. So please enjoy these images of my snowy garden and my cottage in Cheshire, and I'm going to turn the camera around and give you a little bit of a guided tour before it all melts, and it's all started to melt. As you can probably see in the lane behind me, there's a big puddle of snow. There's also some walkers coming up behind, so I'll probably edit them out.